Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to pay for a pending purchase on iPhone. Step 1 is just open the App Store of your iPhone, and once you open the App Store you will be at this search section or the home section. So just click on the profile icon from the most above right corner, and once you click on the profile, so just you will see multiple options: your Apple ID, or you can say the App Store ID, apps, the second option purchase history, notifications. So just go to the second option, which is called purchase history. Now, purchase history is basically everything where you have done a payment, you have purchased anything, you have a pending payment. You will see all those details inside this purchase history section. So once you open this, let it just load. It might take a few seconds, so don't worry. And once you, as you can see, like I'm in purchase history now, I don't have any purchase history because I haven't purchased anything from the App Store, or you can say from my iPhone directly. So otherwise you can just name, price, or search ID, order ID, you can just search it and find the order. Otherwise you will see, as you can see, showing 90 days filter and cost is paid. You can just free, paid, select both of them and just click on the type. You let's say select the type. If you want to be specific, click on apply, and you will see everything inside this line. So once you see the line, you can just choose the pending payment and pay it directly inside your iPhone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.